So can we upgrade our headlight to LED for $25 within 5 minutes? You bet. So let's get this done. So today we're going to change out just the headlight on my Vulcan S. And I'm using the Axito LED H4 headlight. I really like this headlight. It's about the same size as the stock bulb. It doesn't have a huge heat sink hanging off the back. There's no cord with a driver. The driver's installed. The heat sink has a little fan to cool the light, and this makes it plug and play. I prefer this over buying a headlamp, which might take a great deal of modification to install, and I really trust the engineers of a giant aerospace company like Kawasaki to come up with a very decent headlight design. So let's get to this. So changing out our headlight will be a fairly simple task. We only have to remove 2 bolts here, one on each side down here. Make sure you stay away from the adjusting screw. That'll mess up where your headlight points. So again, on each side I'm going to remove these 2 bolts using a 5mm Allen key. Next you'll find that loosens up the bottom of the headlight. And up here there's just a rubber grommet that fits on a pin. So we really just lift the light up. That allows us to remove it. Now, protecting my work surface, I'm going to get over here, pull this connector off the headlamp, and then the boot right there. Takes a little bit of wiggling, but eventually your connector pops off just like that. Get my finger under here, and the boot's a simple matter of just pulling it off. I noted that the writing is on the bottom here. I'm going to install it the same exact way. And there we have our light bulb. H4 bulbs are really easy. We just have to manipulate this little spring clip here to release the bulb. So I just sort of push down and over. That releases the clip. And I can pull the bulb right on out of there. Just like that. Now I take the new LED bulb, and of course orientation is with those pins in the same direction as before. It's sort of foolproof with these little tabs. We're just going to drop it right in there, just like that. And then I'm going to reinstall the little spring clip. We're done. So now we fit the boot back on there. First, making sure the center part's around the bulb. This makes everything watertight. And now we'll push down the perimeter. Now that the waterproofing boot is back in place, we simply take the headlight plug and we reattach it right here. Now just place your rubber grommets back over the posts and get those installed. And once those are all the way down, we're going to reinstall the 2 bolts we removed from down here. Now, because we didn't mess with any of the adjustment screws, all we need to do is clean and polish our fingerprints off of this baby and give her a test. So let's give this LED headlight a tryout here. When you turn on the key to the Vulcan, there is like a parking light, which is way cool. So here's the LED headlight on low. Really illuminates the world here. Let's put her on high beam. So that is absolutely awesome. $25 and 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. So now that we're done with the LED light bulb upgrade, I thank all of my subscribers for returning, and all the new people here. Please subscribe. There's a lot more to come. There's going to be a lot of great tips and upgrades on this Vulcan S. And again, I thank you all so much. Appreciate every single one of you.